Welcome back, Zootastic adventurers, and prepare yourselves for a journey into the Allwetter Zoo Münster in Germany that's going to be absolutely mind-bending. Today, we're focusing our Zootastic lens on an animal that is the undisputed master of disguise, a creature so incredibly adept at blending in, you might have walked right past it without even knowing it was there. The Ponderosa Stickinsect. Now, when you typically think of a zoo star, your mind probably jumps to the big charismatic animals, right? You picture roaring lions, majestic elephants, or maybe even those playful swinging monkeys. Well, get ready to expand your definition of a star, because the Ponderosa Stickinsect, though it might not roar or swing from branches, possesses a superpower that makes it utterly fascinating and truly deserves our attention. And this incredible invertebrate looks exactly like a twig, a dry branch, or even a fallen leaf. It's a living, breathing piece of its environment, a true marvel of natural mimicry. These astonishing creatures hail from the forests of the southwestern United States and northern Mexico, specifically in areas where the majestic ponderosa pine trees grow abundantly, which, as you might guess, is how they got their common name. They are perfectly adapted to blend seamlessly into their woody surroundings, their very existence a testament to the power of evolution. It's not just camouflage, it's an art form, a living sculpture designed by nature. Imagine trying to find a needle in a haystack, and now imagine that the needle looks exactly like one of the pieces of hay. And that's precisely the challenge of spotting a Ponderosa Stickinsect in the wild, or even within their meticulously designed exhibit right here in Münster at the Allwetter Zoo. Their ability to remain hidden from hungry eyes is simply phenomenal. So what exactly makes their camouflage so incredibly effective? It's far more than just their color. It's their entire body shape, their texture, and even their behavior. Their long, slender bodies and intricately segmented legs perfectly mimic the irregular contours, knots, and textures of real twigs and branches. And here's a super cool fun fact that adds another layer to their incredible deception. Many stick insects, including our Ponderosa friend, have the astonishing ability to sway gently back and forth as they move, or even when they are perfectly still. This subtle movement perfectly mimics a twig or a small branch blowing in the wind, making it even harder for sharp-eyed predators such as birds or lizards to distinguish them from the actual vegetation. It's like they've got their own built-in special effects team constantly perfecting their illusion. Another fascinating aspect of their disguise is their remarkable ability to change color, albeit slowly, to better match their immediate surroundings. While it's not as rapid as the instant color changes of a chameleon, over a period of days or weeks they can gradually adjust their coloration to better blend in with the new plant growth or drier, decaying vegetation, or even changes in light conditions. And they are truly living chameleons of the plant world, subtly adapting to their ever-changing leafy stage. And now let's talk about the diet of these master deceivers. Predictably, Ponderosa stick insects are herbivores, meaning their sustenance comes entirely from plants, and their diet primarily consists of the leaves and needles from their host plants. And as their name suggests, the Ponderosa stick insect specifically favors the long, slender needles of ponderosa pine trees, a perfect match for their elongated bodies. However, they are not strictly limited to pines and will also feed on the foliage of other plant species found within their diverse forest habitat. And they spend their lives slowly munching away, perfectly camouflaged as they do so, often remaining undetected for long periods. It's like they're having an invisible gourmet buffet all day long, enjoying their leafy delights without drawing any unwanted attention. And now for something truly intriguing. Let's delve into their reproduction, because this is where stick insects, and the Ponderosa is no exception, get even more fascinating, revealing another amazing fun fact. Many stick insect species are capable of a remarkable reproductive strategy known as parthenogenesis, which means females can reproduce and lay viable eggs without any need for a male. They can essentially clone themselves, producing genetically identical daughters. It's like a natural cloning factory, allowing populations to persist and even flourish, even if males are scarce or absent from a particular area. While male Ponderosa stick insects do exist and sexual reproduction occurs, parthenogenesis provides an incredible evolutionary advantage. And furthermore, their eggs often bear striking resemblance to plant seeds, adding yet another ingenious layer to their deceptive nature. And this clever mimicry means that predators might simply overlook them, dismissing them as just another innocuous piece of plant debris scattered on the forest floor, allowing them and the next generation to safely emerge. The Allwetter Zoo Münster does an absolutely excellent job of showcasing these often overlooked yet incredibly complex creatures in their dedicated invertebrate exhibits. The enclosure of the Ponderosa Stickinsect is meticulously designed to replicate their natural environment, complete with appropriate native vegetation that allows them to display their amazing camouflage and all their natural behaviors. It's a fantastic opportunity to really test your powers of observation. Trying to spot them amidst the branches is a fascinating challenge and part of the fun of visiting. And the zoo plays a profoundly important role in educating the public about the incredible diversity of the insect world and the vital, often unseen roles these creatures play in maintaining healthy ecosystems. Often, it's the smallest and most unassuming creatures that are the most crucial to the balance of nature. The Ponderosa Stickinsect truly teaches us to look closer, to observe with patience, and to appreciate the subtle, intricate wonders of the natural world that often go unnoticed. It serves as a powerful reminder that true beauty and genuine marvel aren't always loud, flashy, or in your face. Sometimes they are perfectly still, perfectly disguised, and blend right in. So the next time you are at the Allwetter Zoo Münster, make sure you seek out the invertebrate section and dedicate some focused time to finding the Ponderosa Stickinsect. It might take a moment, it might even take a few minutes of patient searching, but the immense satisfaction of finally spotting one, of seeing nature's ultimate illusionist right before your eyes, is truly rewarding. So you'll gain a whole new appreciation for these living pieces of art, these silent masters of deception. They are a testament to nature's boundless creativity and the awe-inspiring power of blending in. So thanks for joining me on this Zootastic journey into the world of the Ponderosa Stickinsect. And if you're as amazed by their incredible camouflage and their hidden world as I am, please give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the Zootastic channel for more amazing animal encounters, from the biggest giants to the incredibly small and hidden, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Your support helps us continue to bring you the very best of the animal kingdom and highlight the incredible conservation and education work being done in zoos like the Allwetter Zoo Münster. But what's your favorite example of animal camouflage in the natural world? Let me know in the comments below. And see you next time, Zootastic Explorers.